Ready? The petitioner, Adnan Qureshi, through the present civil revision, impugned the order passed by learned senior civil judge, Islamabad, dated 23/9/2011, and concurrently order dated 5/1/2012, passed by learned additional district judge, Islamabad, whereby an application for grant of temporary injunction under order rules 1 and 2 CPC was dismissed, full stop, that as per facts narrated in the petition, it is stated that petitioner, after joining service of the respondent on 24/12/2009 as permanent workman by the operation of law, his case covers under the provisions of section 2(G) of Islamabad Rent Restriction Ordinance, and industrial provisions of section 2 and commercial employment standing order, therefore, does not require any formal order of regularization, full stop. It is further stated that petitioner is entitled to get benefit of rule 15(2) of accommodation allocation rules, 2002, as he being successor in interest after retirement of his father for allotment of the same as per rule referred above, full stop. The petitioner, on refusal of such request by the respondent, preferred suit before the learned senior civil judge, Islamabad, coupled therewith prayer of temporary injunction, full stop. On dismissal of the said application, moved for temporary injunction under order rules 1 and 2 CPC, the petitioner preferred civil appeal number 181/2011, which too was dismissed with same observation, therefore, he preferred instant civil revision, assailing both the orders passed by the courts below, full stop. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the petitioner argued that flat number 62/B-B, sector G10/3, Islamabad, in question was allotted to father of the petitioner, YD allotment number DA/794-62/5-B/G/10-3/2006-1348, dated 22/9/2006, and he is residing in the same quarter/flat with his father, full stop. The petitioner was inducted in service on 24/12/2009 against an existent vacancy of regular accommodation allocation rules, 2002, rule 15(1) entitled the petitioner to retain possession after retirement of his father, also entitle him for allotment, full stop. He also emphasized that the petitioner was earlier on work charge against a regular post and subsequently regularized YD order dated 22/1/12 with effect from 23/1/12, full stop. He argued that YD industrial and commercial employment (standing order ordinance 4 of 1968 in a schedule respecting section 2 under bracket G provides classification of workman comma whereby while considering rule 15 under bracket 1 under bracket B of the schedule comma he is deemed to be a permanent worker, and since he was posted against an existing vacancy of a regular post, therefore there was no need to issue regularization order, and by virtue of said proposition is introduced by the standing order in the schedule comma he is deemed to be a permanent workman full stop. Therefore comma he argued that not only the trial court has misconceived the law as well as facts on record comma thereby dismissing the injunction application and appeal preferred by the petitioner full stop.